Hey guys, welcome to Diecast. So in today's video, I will be doing a review on the Super GT 2006 open interface Tom's SC430 number 36. So basically this is a pretty cool car. And again, it's a sealed body shell. So no opening parts here. But yeah, we'll check it out. As always, use my pick to open it up quite easily. And if this part doesn't work, then we'll definitely have to open the other one. I just don't want to force it or anything. Yeah, the flaps open really nice, so shouldn't have a problem there. Okay, now that the outer box has been removed, it is connected by 4 screws. 2 and 2. So now that the car is out of the box, the livery looks pretty much everywhere, but no missing pieces. It's pretty much a brand new model. I don't think it's ever been opened out of the box. So let's check it out. Alright, now time for the exterior review. So again, as you can see, there's really a lot of sponsorships in this car. Tons of stickers all over. I do like these stickers here. These weight stickers, that's pretty cool. Yeah, that's just all over the place. I actually enjoy it. And as you can see, that's a huge exhaust, side exhaust right here in this section. I love how crazy they can get these cars. And if you compare it to a road car, like, you could definitely see all these crazy differences. Like, just look at how wide they did that wide body right there in the front. And there's hood pins everywhere. There's hood pins right here, hood pins up top, and then of course there's hood pins in the front. And you got these nice hood vents, and you got that nice Lexus logo in the front there. Look at that arrow right on that bumper. The tow hook looks pretty good. And if you look at those headlights, there's not much detail. It looks like a different type of headlight, specifically made for the aftermarket version of this brand. Yeah, even just the lip is just intense, like just crazy intense. I just love it. And it's so unexpected for this car as well. I'm just, like, from all cars, like, you'd expect it like an NSX, a Supra, a GTR, but for this one, wow, like, it's definitely unexpected. And then you get pretty much the same decals on the other side as well. And as you can see, there's this really tiny antenna up top there. Very fragile as well, if I may add. And look how awkwardly huge that rear is. Well, I believe this car is originally intended, like, the road car version was originally intended to have like an automatic closing. I mean, this was a convertible, but it wasn't just any convertible, it was actually a hardtop convertible. So I think they made all this space right here to be huge just so it can kind of fold itself at the back. And as you can see, there's also a side exhaust right here on this side. And then you get this huge massive wing. And you get some clips here and some more decals as well. I'm surprised how small the brake lights and the reverse lights are on this car. And as you can see, there is little detail at all. Like, there's probably no detail in my opinion. Just a little bit of that diffuser, a little bit of the suspension right there, and that's about it. And as you can see, the tires do look correct. The model is a little bit heavier compared to the NSX, which is surprising. But aside from that, yeah, like it's lighter than most Autoarts out there. Alright, now for the wheel detail here. So as you can see, the tires do have that nice decals on it. And the wheel is a center lock with the red on this side, and then it's blue on the other side. And as you can see, there are some details on the caliper. There's a AP Racing decal on it, and as you can see, the disc brakes are vented, and it's pretty much the same on this side except the diameter. It seems to be a little bit bigger in the rears. Okay, so now for the interior. Again, this is a steel body, so it doesn't have any opening parts. As you can see, there is a harness in there, which is very well made, and it doesn't look plasticky at all, with this nice Recaro bucket seat, and it looks like it's lightly flocked, just to resemble that cloth look appearance to it, or the Alcantara. And then on the dash, you don't see much, it's pretty much all black right there. And then see the steering wheel, showing you in the front side here first. And we see more of that seat, that single seat on the right hand side. And then let's see if we can turn the car around. So yeah, you do see an open roll cage there. Let's see some lighting here. Sorry about that. There you go, there's a lot more detail in the front here. And yeah, you get a lot of buttons on that steering wheel. And just a quick reminder, the steering wheel does turn from inside when you turn the wheels, so that's a good addition. And there are some more buttons right there in the center console. Very nice. More vents. Just a bit hard to see from this angle here. And then we see a little bit on the left hand side. Not much though. Thanks for watching, guys, and as always, please like, comment, and subscribe. Helps me make more videos like this, and I'll see you guys next week Wednesday. Have a good one.